importance of daily hair care. 3 reasons why you should comb your hair every day. Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential aspect of our daily grooming routine, combing our hair. You might be surprised by just how beneficial this simple practice can be. So, let's get into it. 1. Promotes hair health. First and foremost, combing your hair daily promotes hair health. It helps distribute natural oils from your scalp throughout your hair strands, keeping them moisturized and nourished. This natural conditioning reduces the risk of dryness, breakage, and split ends, leaving your hair looking and feeling healthier. 2. Prevents tangles and knots. Ever wake up with a tangled mess on your head? Combing your hair daily can prevent those frustrating tangles and knots. By gently detangling your hair each day, you're preventing the buildup of knots that can lead to breakage and damage. Plus, it makes styling your hair much easier and less time-consuming. 3. Improves scalp circulation. Believe it or not, combing your hair daily can also improve scalp circulation. When you comb your hair, you're stimulating the scalp, which increases blood flow to the hair follicles. This boost in circulation can promote hair growth and overall scalp health. So, if you're looking to achieve luscious locks, don't underestimate the power of a good daily comb. And there you have it, 3 compelling reasons why you should make combing your hair a daily habit. It's simple, it's effective, and your hair will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on hair care and grooming. Until next time, happy combing!